As we begin, I'd like to share a Chinese proverb with you that encapsulates the premise on which this program has been built. That proverb says, "Tell me and I'll forget. Show me and I may remember. Involve me and I will understand." Over 3,000 years ago, people understood that involving your complete mind was the most effective way to learn and retain information. More recently, psychologists have documented that people retain only 10% of what they read, 20% of what they hear, and 30% of what they see. These percents will vary a bit based upon your preferred method of learning. For example, people who are primarily auditory learners will likely retain more than the average 20%. However, the results will not be radically different from the norms because these are all very passive ways of learning. Our desire for your participation in this program is not to give you additional materials to read or new facts to learn. Our strong desire is for you to retain the information and apply it to transform your life. This same psychologist research shows that moving from passive to active ways of learning is what causes dramatic increase. On average, people retain 70% of what they say and 90% of what they do. Throughout this program, we have built in exercises to have you actively engaged in your transformation. In addition to retention, we want this program to have an impact on you. Many programs focus just on training and sell coaching as a separate offering. From training alone, most people can achieve 22% of their desired outcomes. Add coaching to the training, and the average improvement goes up to 88%. Our program has been designed to incorporate the best coaching techniques, in addition to the best adult learning techniques, to drive the maximum impact for you from the time you invest with us.